Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix DuckDuckGo search not working on iPhone. So it's actually pretty simple. So first of all, you just have to install the DuckDuckGo browser on your iPhone if you haven't already. So my search is working fine on my iPhone, so leaving a search for Google here, and as you can see it's working for me properly. So however, if you DuckDuckGo search engine isn't working properly, just go to settings on your iPhone like this, and just click on general and then just click on software update, and here you have to make sure that your iPhone is up to date. After that, make sure to restart your iPhone and your internet router or modem. So if that doesn't work, you can just hard reset your iPhone. You can Google it to do it, because I cannot do it while recording. So you can just Google how to hard reset your iPhone. It's pretty simple. So yeah guys, this is how you actually fix your DuckDuckGo search engine on iPhone. So if you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.